Okay, hello YouTubes. In this video, I want to talk about Warrior Plus, and as usual, at the beginning of each month, what I've been doing is I've been doing a video, just letting you guys know that this is a very residual income that I'm able to earn from Warrior Plus, really without doing anything at all. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys that yes, I've got over $1,000 to withdraw, about $1,000. Okay, so we got currently 992 US dollars plus the $70 which is pending, but that's going to be available within 3 days. Sorry. Well, anyway, we've got pending withdrawals that will become available in about 3 days or less. Actually, it'll be, I've got pending withdrawals available, that'll be available within today, actually. So that will be over $1,000 within today. And I'll do my regular withdrawal like I do at the beginning of most months. So I've got $1,000 that I did the withdrawal last month, which was the beginning of July, and also another withdrawal there at the beginning of June, and another withdrawal there towards the beginning of May, and another one. Sorry, no, that's April. So two in April. So April was a good month. I did a withdrawal in March, and my first withdrawal was beginning of March, just as a test. Okay, I did a withdrawal here, but that was failed, and the money was sent back to me because I didn't want to use Payoneer. So actually, I wanted to get the money into my bank account. So that was actually fine, and I ended up doing the withdrawals straight to my bank account, which is the way I want it. So as you can see, even without doing any work really at all, it really has been very effortless, and generating an income every month with Warrior Plus just by promoting these simple products. Okay, so these are my recommended traffic sources. The Wholesale Premium Traffic is a great source that I highly recommend. Wholesale Premium Traffic, a lot of my team are using Wholesale Premium Traffic, and you can get your quality traffic that I use, my team use, and we are placing repeat orders because they're just giving us great quality traffic. And you can rest assured that you're getting good traffic there. I also recommend that I'm recommending it in my MegaMarketingPro marketing system. As you can see, Wholesale Premium Traffic. You can put your link to your Wholesale Premium Traffic link there, and then save it, and then your people that come through this marketing system via your referral link will be able to see your links to join these programs, these traffic programs. Now, obviously, this is not my main source of income. Live Good is my main source of income. I'm earning about $10,000 plus with Live Good every month, which is wonderful. And I've got my other passive income earning opportunities that are also earning me fantastic money, which is great. And also I've got other platforms like LeadsLeap. Again, LeadsLeap, you're going to need LeadsLeap for setting up, if you want to set up the funnels, and if you want to set up MegaMarketingPro, I've got this funnel that you can use. It's got the share code down at the bottom. I'll put the link in the video with the share code here. So you can jump on my link to join LeadsLeap, because you'll need LeadsLeap to host these pages and promote. So, as a whole, if you want to get started with Wholesale Premium Traffic, or get started with these platforms, and get started with Warrior Plus as a combination, I highly recommend LeadsLeap as well. And you've got a good system in place here to get you up and running and starting to make some extra income. So that's good. Get access to MegaMarketingPro. I'll put the link to this as well. This is a free marketing system. So those three, Wholesale Premium Traffic, which is on Warrior Plus, but then you've got the LeadsLeap and MegaMarketingPro. Great set of tools here to help you to promote your businesses, such as Live Good. Okay, so Live Good is my primary business. These are just extras that help to promote my businesses, and I'm able to generate traffic using platforms such as Wholesale Premium Traffic, which is quality traffic. And as you can see, I'm able to withdraw a decent side income with Warrior Plus. and I'm going to do my withdrawal, my regular monthly withdrawal, in about a day or two, just so that I can put in about $1,000 per month with this nice, easy to use platform. That I'm not even really doing anything with it. Okay, my team are happy to use it because they are getting quality traffic anyway, and they're promoting this to their team as well, and so I get a lot of repeat orders. But definitely use these tools. They're really, really powerful. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was interesting, and I highly recommended, but get on board. The links are below, and give me a like, give me a subscribe to my channel. Look forward to working with you guys, and see you in the next training video. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching.